Hi everyone, let's see a question on functions. Given f of x is equals to cos square x plus sin power 4x divided by sin square x plus cos power 4x. For all x belongs to R, then we have to prove that f of 2012 is equals to 1. Okay, so let's see. F of x is equals to cos square x. First you write f of x is equals to cos square x plus sin power 4x divided by sin square x plus cos power 4x. So you have to get either it in terms of sine or in terms of cos completely. So you'll be remain with one cos term or one sine term. Okay. So let's see. Which is equals to 1 minus cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x plus sin power 4x divided by sin square x plus this cos power 4x. You can write it as cos square x into cos square x. 1 cos square x you can make it as 1 minus sin square x. So you will get is equals to 1 minus sin square x plus sin power 4x divided by sin square x into sin square x plus cos square x minus cos square x into sin square x. So if you see sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So that you can write it as 1, right? So let's see 1 minus sin square x into, first we can take this common, right? Sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x into 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is again cos square x. So we can write it as 1 minus sin square x into cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x minus cos square x into sin square x. So the same thing, this whole thing can be written as 1. So 1 is equals to 1 minus cos square x into sin square x in the denominator. So we get finally is equals to 1 minus sin square x into cos square x divided by 1 minus cos square x into sin square x. So either sin square x is here or cos square x is here, the same, because it is multiplication, right? So this and this terms are same, so it gets cancelled and you will be remain with 1. So as you can see, the function is a constant function. So if it is 1, then f of 1 is also 1 and f of 2 is also 2. Sorry, 1. F of 2 is also 1. So because the function is mapped with to a constant value, so f of 2 will also be 2. So thereby we can say that f of 2012 is also equal to 1. Hence proved. Yes, let's see a few problems on domain and ranges of the following. So find the domain and ranges of the following real valued functions. So whenever you are given any function such in the type of numerator by denominator, that is a fraction format or a rational number format, that format. So at that time what you have to do, f of x can be, f of x is given as 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x. So at the time immediately you should get that the denominator should not be equal to 0. It should never be equal to 0 in order to find the domain of the function. So the denominator should not be equal to 0, that is 2 minus x should not be equal to 0. Okay, so for that is the x value at which f is defined. So 2 minus x is not equals to 0, implied by x is not equals to 2. So the function takes all the real values except the value called 2. So our domain will be, that is our x belongs to r minus 2. So domain of f is r minus 2. So for range also we can do the similar way. That is we can just equate this f of x to a certain variable y. So y is equals to 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x. So now you get this whole function in terms of only y. So how you'll do, you'll first multiply this denominator with y and you can take it only in terms of y. So let's see, 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x is equals to y. So 2 plus x is equals to 2 into y minus y into x. So 2y, let's suppose 2y we have kept this hand side only or this hand side, not a problem. So 2y minus 2, this 2 then goes to this hand side, it will be 2y minus 2. Okay, in short let's write it as 2y minus yx is equals to 2 plus x. So this would be like more simpler. So let's see, 2y minus 2 is equals to x plus y into x. So now you can take x common and you can write it as y plus 1. So 2y minus 2 will be as it is. 2y minus 2 is equals to x into y plus 1, which implies x is equals to 2y minus 2 divided by y plus 1. That is, x is equals to 2 into y minus 1 divided by y plus 1. Now you have to check out at which point this x is not defined. So denominator should never be equal to 0, that is y plus 1 not be equal to 0. So y plus 1 should not be equal to 0 means y should not be equal to minus 1. So at the point y is equals to minus 1, this x is not defined. So our range of f of x, range of f is real, the set of real numbers minus 1. So minus 1 is not included in the range set. That's for today. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you.